Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
How are you, ma'am?
Good. How are you?
Fine.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon. Deepika, ma'am, have you started your online classes? Are you taking the
Pardon,
classes
ma'am?
online? Are you taking online classes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm taking.
Okay. All right.
You only motivated, ma'am, to
Me?
take classes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you're started with your school or just taking activity classes or
No,
what
ma'am.
classes?
School.
School classes.
No, ma'am. School.
Good.
2 days I have just interacted simply. Then they were asking for the work and all. So yesterday even I have given them how to engage children for reading, picture reading and with a sound. So they have started.
All right.
But very less parents are like taking a participation.
Okay.
Very less parents are present. Personally, I talked them on Sunday. So like they were saying children are very small, so that's why it's not possible. Whenever we are like in front of a screen, so they just cry
Right.
late. So
Yes,
that's why.
exactly. Because they are not much interactive with the screen, no, they are not attentive.
Hmm.
So that is why I kept
So I
the
asked.
sessions for mothers that if mothers can help the children at home,
Hmm.
that would be beneficial. Otherwise,
So even I ask parents to attend, mother or
Ah.
father, anybody, whoever is comfortable, just attend the session so that they can guide it home to the children. Because children are very small, they can't understand.
you should make it compulsory for parents. It is not that your choice. Make it compulsory that parents have to attend, because we cannot expect a child to respond when we are sitting, opposite to screen. What we are saying, and there are a lot of disturbance when the children are at home. घर पे कोई कुछ बोल रहा है,
What
कुछ
is the
चल रहा
reason?
है, तो that is the thing.
Some of the parents have like taken admission in another school, so that's why that was again a one more point that ma'am, now they will be going to the another school. So what is the sense of learning from you? So I make them understand that it's not the way. At least they will learn something. You will be taking some
Obviously.
guidelines so that you can help child at home.
Right.
Like senior KG students are all the session, like
They
all
are
the students are hooked
enough,
in class first.
they are able to understand.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, yeah. Going on.
Looking beautiful, ma'am.
Huh?
Looking beautiful with a smile.
Everyone looks beautiful when they smile,
Yes, ma'am, that's true. Ma'am, please later on guide me how should I teach parents?
Sure.
Because they are asking for only academic. They are not interested in activities. Like I have taken 2-3 days activity, so they were asking that, ma'am, what is the sense of this? Why you are taking? So that's why gradually they left in between. So when I personally talked, so then I came to know they are not interested learning these all the things. They just want academics so that children can go with again pen, pencil, crayon, notebooks, reading.
Right.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. Me too, ma'am, right?
Yeah.
तो समझ में नहीं आता यार आवाज कहाँ से आ रही है. I have to guess, voices.
That's why I wave my hands always. मैं अपना हाथ ही हिलाती हूँ.
Right.
हाथ हिला दो तो ज्यादा अच्छा है.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. Let's next.
आज पूजा मैम नहीं आया, जल्दी आ जाते हैं वैसे तो.
हाँ, today Pooja ma'am, she is here. Yeah, she's here now. People coming and leaving. I don't know what is happening over here. But all are not principal over here.
जिनकी आवाज फ्रीक्वेंटली सुनते हैं ना, वो नहीं दिखे तो कमी महसूस होती है.
हाँ. Hi, Pooja ma'am.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi. You are late today. So people are waiting for you also.
No, she just completed her class. Her classes are from 12 to 12:30. And from
Okay.
12:30 to 1, I have this class. Overlapping.
Overlapping. Yours timing would be over here. What time you have right now? 1 o'clock.
No, it's exactly 12:33.
12:33. Okay.
1.5 hours behind India.
All right. All right. Not much difference.
Yeah. And for her class, all mess up paints and blocks and everything in the main room.
Okay.
Mothers during mothers are more busy, I think. They are not
This
busy.
time.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hi, ma'am. I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Good.
Hi, Munina ma'am.
Hello.
हाय, कैसी है? हेलो,
कैसे हो आप लोग?
बढ़िया।
आइए सब लोग ईद बनाने के लिए बड़वानी।
हाँ।
How many days are left?
Saturday
3
is
days.
Eid, I think so. Saturday is Eid, right?
Yes.
3 days. Okay, 3 days are left.
Munira ma'am, send us pics of sevaiya.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Okay.
Hello.
I
Hello.
want you
Yes.
many.
Yes.
Hello. Yes.
Ma'am, my son, 3.5 years old.
Okay.
But he can't interest in writing skill, ma'am.
Okay.
Concentration in writing. Please give the suggestion.
Sure, sure. Next week we will talk about writing. Today we'll talk about reading. Okay. Today is our language development day, and 2 skills we have already covered, like listening and speaking. So that we don't need to teach them, is it?
Yes.
Isn't it?
Sit one place.
They are kids. They are kids. Why should they sit at one place? Why you want them to sit at one place? If they are sitting at one place, they will not learn anything. Believe me. They will not learn anything if they are just sitting at one place. And it is good that your child doesn't sit at one place. Talk to the mothers whose child doesn't move at all. They are very tense, ma'am. What has happened? He doesn't move. He doesn't do anything. We had a child when I was in the school. No,
Her teacher was not well yesterday. Arvi's
Okay.
teacher was not well yesterday.
Okay.
Some substitute teacher came.
Okay.
So she was telling that I don't know the names of the students. So
Huh.
the girl with a yellow t-shirt, please tell me your name. Teacher, see here, I am wearing yellow. I am wearing yellow. She was screaming like anything.
Okay, so yeah, I was telling you one child. We had one child in the classroom. He was a new admission, and he doesn't used to talk to anyone. He just came from out of India. I think from Germany. He shifted with the parents, and then he just come to school. He used to sit in the center of the class on the floor with his bag, and he doesn't move at all for the whole day. And when it is time to go, he goes just. That was the condition. After 6 months, he has started moving and talking and interacting, and gradually. So it is a problem if the child is not, moving, if he's sitting at a place. So please don't.
Actually, madam,
expect
change
these
of
things
atmosphere
from
is
them.
also a problem. I had one girl who had been shifted from another school. I had one girl who had been shifted from another school. She was not talking with anyone, and even with me for almost 2 months. After 2 months, she got settled and started talking.
So this is what they need time to adjust themselves, in the new environment or whatever it is. So we have to give them time. Right? All right. So what do you know about reading? What is reading?
Reading starts with the normal alphabets and then the sounds. Initially, a child recognizes the alphabet, and wherever he or she sees something written, even on my daughter, if anything is written on my t-shirt, she tries to read it. Mama, this is A, then this is N, then this is R. So she can't read the whole word, but she's trying to recognize the alphabet and try to tell it to me.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Anyone, any other experience?
Ma'am, reading is just a reading.
Reading is?
Just reading.
Just reading. Okay.
Yes.
All right. So today I'll make you to read something. Yes, Shweta ma'am.
Reading can be in the form of words and sentences, but it can be picture reading also.
Of course, it can be picture reading also. Very good. If they cannot, this is what we are learning. The children do not have vocabulary to express, but they express with the help of pictures as well. So they can communicate.
Ma'am stated it correctly. My daughter, she doesn't know how to read. But when she gets a storybook, she tells Mama, these are the two goats. They went outside. One goat is ill. She makes her
own story. So this is what the picture reading. So reading begins from here only. That you must know that these are the words only. This is what the words you will read. So like stories also, these are human made. It is not that there is a fixed story that we cannot change it. We can always change the story. These are all imagination of a person who has written the story. Now we can nowadays we can find so many versions of the same story even. So many variations in the story. So it is the imagination of the child that how they are correlating, and they always correlate with their own experiences, also life experiences, what they have seen, so that it becomes easy for them to connect with the, like if you show them a garden scene, garden picture, then they might be able to connect that they also go to the garden and they have something in their garden which here it is not there. They can compare the thing, they can connect, and they can easily understand with the help of these things. So that is what the process of learning is. Like whenever we give a new concept also, we make sure that there is something which child already knows. It's a building of the new knowledge upon the previous known thing. जो बच्चे को पहले से ही आता है, if you start the topic from there, then it is easy to connect and understand. अगर आप न्यू टॉपिक एकदम से स्टार्ट करते हैं जिसका आपको बेस नहीं पता, उसके कुछ टर्म्स नहीं पता, then it becomes difficult to understand, right? But when we start something known, then the children are able to connect. Today I'll make you to read something, and then we will see what reading is. I hope you will try, and I don't know. Okay, so here is the, I don't know what it is or whatever it is, but you have to read this. Now tell me who can read.
Nobody.
I know, but you have to read. No, I'm your teacher and I'm asking you to read this. Come on.
No, ma'am.
Once upon a time, there was a king.
So are you sure?
I don't know the language.
Yes.
I am pretending.
You are actually guessing it out that what it should be. Isn't it?
I can see zero, sleeping, standing
Okay.
line, curves.
All right. What else? Anybody else?
And is it, ma'am, ये right to left चलता है या left to right चलता है, so that we can
Everything
get.
is left to right. I did not write Urdu. Only Urdu goes from right to left. That's it. And this is not Urdu. We can understand. Okay. In Urdu, I know how to
Some
write my
letters are
name.
by mistake. Okay, wow. Some letters are opposites written.
Aarti ma'am,
Yes.
I'm trying to remember this thing because you have already shown this in our
In your
training session.
program, yes.
So yes, that I recognize, but अभी मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है कि आपने इसका explanation कैसे दिया था.
ठीक है, so it
Don't want to break your surprise.
good revision for you now it is.
That's why I'm saying nothing in between.
Okay, ठीक है. If you don't know, if I teach you, how many days you will take to learn all these things? Tell me. Okay, let's have a discussion on this. If I teach you this thing, how many days will you take to remember and learn all
Initially, we
these
will have to
things?
start with letters like A, B, C, D.
Okay. And
it will take 3 months.
would you all see
minimum
this
15
screen?
days.
15 days, good. Chalo. All right. So this is a new language you cannot read. So what you can see only the lines and patterns, maybe circles or squares in between. Okay, standing lines and sleeping lines, maybe because we know that the shapes and lines we can recognize. So this is what only we can see in that text. So same happens with the children also when they are going to school and we are asking them to read for the first time. So the situation is exactly same. कि जो हमारे साथ हो रहा है कि हम उसको जो देख रहे हैं वो आप पढ़ पा रहे हो क्या? नहीं पढ़ पा रहे हो. तो बच्चे के लिए भी वो जो इंग्लिश का टेक्स्ट होता है या हिंदी का होता है, whatever we are teaching them in the language part, or maybe the numbers also, it is the same for children. उनके लिए भी वो lines or circles or maybe boxes, that is only there for them. There is no ABCD for them because they don't know what is ABCD. Okay, they don't know what are the numbers and the shapes also. But only they can just recognize certain patterns because when we scribble, they can see that there are certain patterns which are created with our hands. Okay, sorry, I'll mute you all. So that is why now I'll show you another screen and then you have to try to read it. Okay. Now I would like you to read this.
Filibosrana, Kangbul, Barasade.
Okay. Anyone else? Any other pronunciation? First one, you just read it carefully.
Filibrosna.
Filibrosana.
Kangbul.
Kangbul. And Barasade. Barasade.
Just Filibrosna. It is not Brosana. It is Brosna. Okay.
Brosna. Yes.
Yes. Kangbul and then Barasade. Maybe there may be little bit, ups and downs in the pronunciation as per the art understanding. Okay. Could you all read this? ये सब पढ़ पाए?
Yes, ma'am.
सबने पढ़ा? ऐसा तो कोई नहीं है जिसको पढ़ना ये सेकंड वाला स्लाइड नहीं पढ़ना आया हो?
No.
ऐसा कोई है क्या? Then please let me know.
No.
We could read, right? और उसके पहले वाला हम नहीं
बट थोड़ी मिस्टेक तो है पढ़ने में.
थोड़ी है. That I'll make it clear why it is there. हाँ. But इसके पहले वाली स्लाइड में और इसमें क्या डिफरेंस था?
Chinese language थी, ये English language है.
ये प्रॉपर इंग्लिश भी नहीं है, थोड़ा
प्रॉपर इंग्लिश भी नहीं है. चलो ठीक है. और so did you read all these words
में
before?
ऐसे letters
मतलब वर्ड्स का जो मीनिंग है वो इन प्रॉपर इंग्लिश में नहीं है.
हाँ, नहीं है. Right.
difference is that we knew the letters and the sounds. That's why we are able to pronounce it. And
it was
in
in
the
English
first slide,
language, of course. Yes. फर्स्ट स्लाइड में
इन फर्स्ट
उनका कुछ मीनिंग ही नहीं वर्ड्स का. I think so.
Maybe there will be meaning, but we are unable to read it.
Oh, she's saying
Because we
about the
didn't know.
second slide. So all right. So in the first slide, we did not know the language. We did not recognize the letters or the alphabet which are written in any other language. Okay. It is not only with this language. अगर आप तमिल पढ़ोगे तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि आप तमिल पढ़ सकते हो कि नहीं. जो तमिलियन है वो जरूर पढ़ पाएंगे तमिल को. But when you read Tamil language, you won't be able to, because you don't know the alphabet or maybe the sounds related to these alphabet. What is the representation of these? But English we know, so we could make out how to read it. ये जो words हमने पढ़े हैं, Kangol, Free Blosna और Barricade, ये आपने पहले कभी पढ़े हैं?
No.
So you are reading for the first time. ये आपके लिए unknown words हैं, मतलब ये आपने कभी नहीं पढ़े हैं और आप पहली बार पढ़ रहे हैं. But then also you can read it. तो आप पढ़ पाए उसको, तो आपने कैसे पढ़ा?
But I don't know meaning.
It's okay. It's okay. For knowing the meaning, you have to read first. पहले आप जब तक पढ़ोगे नहीं, उसका meaning कैसे ढूंढोगे?
We knew the sound.
जनरल कभी सुने ही नहीं, वर्ड तो मीनिंग ही नहीं पता है.
Meaning मैं पूछ ही नहीं रही हूँ meaning क्या है. मैं ये पूछती हूँ आपने पढ़ा कैसे है?
मुझे
क्योंकि we can understand alphabet and English language.
पढ़ते हैं.
With the help of
We can understand alphabet and English language.
करके पढ़ा है.
Okay. So you have to think of a process. कि जब हम पढ़ते हैं तो क्या कर रहे हैं हमने उसमें? पढ़ते टाइम हमने उसमें कौन सी प्रोसेस यूज की है? पहली बात तो जैसे आपने फर्स्ट वाले में पूछा था whether we have to read from the left to right or right to left. So that is the first step that we always have to go from left to right.
Left to right.
हाँ, अगर बच्चे को ये नहीं सिखाते हैं तो बच्चा उल्टा भी पढ़ सकता है. And it is possible for him. Don't worry. वो पैन को नाप भी पढ़ते हैं. मैंने देखा है. So there is no, nothing new in it कि बच्चे उल्टा नहीं पढ़ेंगे. But आपको उसको सिखाना पड़ेगा कि पढ़ना कहाँ से. That is why we have these pre-writing worksheets also going from left to right, which teaches them that the eye should move from left to right only. So that is the first step of reading. Then the second is that you can correlate the alphabet into the sounds. अब आप मुझे ये बताइए, जब आप Kangol पढ़ रहे हैं या Barricade पढ़ रहे हैं, so did you use any ABCD over there?
No, we used the sound of B.
Sound. So we are not saying Barricade B, R. हमको कहीं नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है उसमें, हमको उसके sound सुनाई दे रहे हैं. So for reading, what we must know the sounds of the alphabet letters. The ABCD is not help out in reading it out. ABCD is only helpful in recognition. These are the names of letters, but we do not use these names while we are reading the English words. We entire use these sounds, and in English,
it happened in Arvi's class also. Today it happened in Arvi's class also. Her teacher taught the sound of H. Arvi did it, but some of the parents taught ha, ha. So the teacher corrected it. It is not ha. Your child will read it incorrectly. So teach him or her. So the correct sound is let the air come out.
Yes. So that is what it is. So that is why it is very important. What we do actually, we convert these sounds also, phonic sounds, into our own accent, mother tongue language. So when we speak this ha, it becomes Hindi. So when we are reading English, we have to say the sounds only in English, not in Hindi. Okay, that is why children are not able to read, and they will face problem by writing the spellings. In reading, it will not create a problem. It will create problem when they have to write the spellings. Okay, so that is very important, that you have to say only pure sounds what we hear in the word, and the sound and the recognition of the sound with the alphabet. जैसे ABCD बच्चे पढ़ते हैं, but उनको अगर आप बीच में कोई लेटर पूछेंगे तो उनको उसका नाम बताना भी नहीं आता है, because they are just memorizing the track. वो पूरा ट्रैक मेमोराइज करते हैं. सपोज आपने एस पूछ लिया या आपने टी पूछ लिया, तो बच्चे को पूरा ए से लेके टी तक बोलना पड़ता है, तब जाके वो बताता है कि ये टी है. It means we are going wrong, right? They should, whenever they see the letter, they should say the sound, or if we are teaching the letters, then they have to say the letter. But for reading, the sounds are very important, so we should teach the sounds first and then alphabets later on. जब बच्चे रीडिंग करना शुरू कर देते हैं, बच्चे बुक पढ़ना शुरू कर देते हैं, आफ्टर दैट वी टीच देम ABCD, because it is not going to help over there in reading and they will get confused. जब हम दो चीजें एक साथ पढ़ाते हैं तो रीडिंग में उनको नहीं समझ में आता कि A बोलना है कि A बोलना है, B बोलना है, B बोलना है. So they get confused and it delays the process of reading. There are certain processes which are to be followed. So there are certain processes which are to be followed. So for reading and writing, we use Jolly Phonics methodology. And anybody knows how many sounds are there which we use in English?
42 sounds.
42
26 sounds.
No, 46.
42 sounds. 44.
42 sounds we have. Okay, in English we have 44, but basic sounds are 42. There are 2 more sounds which we teach them later on, but here it is not useful, so we don't teach them, right? So for reading and writing, we use the Jolly Phonics methodology. So we have 42 sounds in all. You can see all these sounds are there. In English, we have 26 letters only. But when we speak the words of English, we need 42 sounds. 26 sounds are not enough to pronounce all the words. So that is why certain sounds are made with the help of combination of certain letters. Like it is a combination of 2 letters which is making one sound. When we read the words with these letters, it says only one sound. So in all, we have got total 42 sounds. All right, and I'll take the example of this one. So for each sound, it is a multi-sensory method of teaching reading and writing. Okay, and the age of introduction is like you can introduce from 3.5 of age, or maybe before ABCD. You have to make sure that you are not teaching ABCD. Sound should be introduced before introducing ABCD, and once they start reading it out. So for each and every sound, like we have 42 sounds, so हर एक sound का हमारे पास story होता है. With the help of stories, they can connect the sound easily. In the story itself, they hear the sound. So can you tell me, can you guess what is happening in the story?
Tree is fallen.
Yeah. Tree has fallen down on the goat, and it has like something went wrong, and children are saying, oh, when something goes wrong, they say, oh. So the sound, so the sound of this letter O and A is O. And all these sounds are related to real life situations which children can actually explore in the environment. So they learn it. Okay, their learning becomes faster, they can easily connect, they can easily learn. And we have the action like O. So we have actions for all the sounds. So it becomes easy. It's a multi-sensory. मतलब कुछ बच्चे जिनको story से समझ में आता है. I'll play the song. So the sound will tell you the story. Oh, 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 did you see the billy goat under the old oak tree? So this is the song. So we have all the things. We are teaching the same sound in different manner. तो कुछ बच्चे जिनको स्टोरी सुनना पसंद है तो वो स्टोरी से सीखते हैं. कुछ बच्चों को म्यूजिक पसंद है, they learn with the music. Some children are kinesthetic, जो घूमते ही रहते हैं, बैठते नहीं है, उनको घूम के ही सीखना पसंद होता है. तो उनके लिए हम एक्शंस रखते हैं कि बच्चे एक्शंस के थ्रू सीखते हैं. And it is really very best method. I have never seen this better than this. I am also teaching since 16 years, but I did not see better method than this. It works. It really works like magic. 5 साल का बच्चा आपका क्लास 1 का बुक अपने आप पढ़ पाता है. If you introduce at the right time. अगर आपने उसको सही टाइम पे इंट्रोड्यूस किया है तो when they are going to class 1 they are able to read their own text books जो वो पहली बार पढ़ते हैं. उनको हमें रटाना नहीं पड़ता. They read on their own. We just teach them the technique how to read. जैसे आप तब read कर पाए ना new words, वो हम बच्चों को सिखाते हैं कि कोई भी वर्ड सामने आएगा तो उसको पढ़ना कैसे है. इसमें रटना नहीं होता है उनको. अगर वो रटते हैं तो वो सिर्फ उतने ही वर्ड्स पढ़ पाएंगे जितने उनको याद हैं. और जब बच्चा न्यू वर्ड आता है तो अटक जाते हैं. Then they are not able to read. मेरे पास क्लास 3-4 के बच्चे आते हैं जो मेरे KG2 के बच्चे पढ़ लेते हैं, वो 3-4 के भी नहीं पढ़ पाते हैं. स्पेशली दीज डायग्राम जो 2 लेटर वाले साउंड होते हैं वो बच्चे बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ पाते हैं. वो उतने ही वर्ड पढ़ पाते हैं जो वो अपनी बुक में रोज बार बार पढ़ते हैं, उसके अलावा वो नहीं पढ़ते हैं, ठीक है ना।
नव्या के साथ मैम सेम प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है। उसको बी बोलते हैं तो ब समझ नहीं आता है, अ बोलते हैं तो अ समझ नहीं आता।
वो क्योंकि हम दो चीजें एक साथ पढ़ा रहे हैं ना, वी आर मेकिंग देम कंफ्यूज। हम उसको फैसिलिटेट नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम उनका जो टाइम है वो और ज्यादा बढ़ा रहे हैं।
तो मैम ए को अ पर ए को जब तक अ नहीं बोलेंगे तो बच्चा ए भी कैसे रिकॉग्नाइज करेगा ना।
ए हम बाद में सिखाएंगे ना, आप उसका टेंशन क्यों कर रहे हो।
हाँ, वो बात नहीं,
पहले
तो पहले
रीडिंग
साउंड
ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। यस, तो साउंड से हम रीड करना सीखेंगे। अब क्लास 1 में बच्चा जाएगा और तब जाके वो ए अ सीखेगा, तो वो फिर क्वेश्चन आंसर कब पढ़ेगा लिखेगा।
बट जैसे कंफ्यूज बहुत रहते हैं बच्चे हैं तो
इसलिए रहते हैं क्योंकि हम कंफ्यूज कर रहे हैं। हमारे बच्चे को करना है, हमको नहीं करना है। हमको तो सिर्फ बोलना है बच्चा ये कर लो ये कर लो, करना तो उनको है ना।
Actually, ma'am, problem is all don't know the Jolly Phonics thing. It has come in the recent years. So we had learned with ABCD. So parents are imposing that only on children.
मैम या
ये 30 साल पुराना प्रोग्राम है। इट माइट बी देयर कि हमारे पास आने में उसको बहुत टाइम लग गया है।
Exactly. Indian curriculum में वो नहीं था मैडम, हमने जब पढ़ा था तब।
I know because we also did not. But हमने जब पढ़ा था तब हमारे पास इतना प्रेशर नहीं था मैम। हम हमारी मदर टंग में पढ़ते थे, हम इंग्लिश में नहीं पढ़ते थे। हमको ये भी चीज ध्यान में रखनी है कि हम इंग्लिश कब सीखते थे और कौन सी एज में सीखते थे।
नहीं एक्चुअली मैम यहाँ भी अगर मैं देखूं तो सेम ही चीज है। लोग मुझे बोलते हैं ये जॉली फोनिक्स बकवास चीज है। मैं उनको बताना चाहती हूँ कि ये बकवास चीज
वो बकवास
उनको खुद को नहीं आता, इसलिए वो क्या करते हैं अभी घर पे बच्चों को गलत सिखाते हैं। जब टीचर सिखाते हैं तो बच्चे कंफ्यूज होते हैं।
ये मोस्टली पेरेंट्स के साथ होता है।
मैम उनको नहीं आता ना, इसीलिए अब उनको आ जाएगा तो दे विल आल्सो सी द डिफरेंस। जब हम बच्चे को पढ़ना सिखाते हैं ना, उसके बाद मेरे पास कोई पेरेंट आके कुछ नहीं बोलता। वो ये बोलता है कि मैडम ठीक है, आपको जैसे पढ़ाना है पढ़ाइए। दे डोंट टेल मी एनीथिंग, बट दे शुड अंडरस्टैंड ना कि हम ये चीज क्यों पढ़ा रहे हैं। वी विल शो द चेंज इन योर चाइल्ड। हम दिखाएंगे आपके बच्चे को वो कर सकते हैं। एंड इट रियली वर्क्स लाइक मैजिक। जब आपके बच्चे पढ़ना शुरू हो जाते हैं तब आपको कुछ फील होता है कि हाँ हमने कुछ किया है, और फिर आप इमेजिन भी नहीं करोगे कि आपने उनके साथ क्या कर दिया है कि वो अपने आप ही पढ़ने लगे।
और इस सिचुएशन में तो बच्चे घर से ही सीख रहे हैं तो बहुत जरूरी है ऐसे ही सिखाना।
और मम्मियों को पता नहीं होगा तो वो कैसे करवाएंगे। उनको टीच करना सबसे पहले इम्पोर्टेंट है ना कि आप खुद बताइए कि आप कैसे पढ़ते हैं। वो तो अब हमको रट गई ये सारी चीजें, तो दैट इज व्हाई आवर ब्रेन इज ट्रेन्ड लाइक दैट। बट बच्चों का ब्रेन थोड़ी ट्रेन है। हम क्या एक्सपेक्ट
करें। अभी ये दौर ऐसा चल रहा है कि मम्मियों को भी साथ में पढ़ना होगा तभी वो
पढ़ रहा है
सही तरीके से पढ़ा पाएंगे।
KG 2 तक तो आप वो 3-4 लेटर वर्ड ही पढ़ाते हो, फिर क्लास 1 में जाके मोटी सी बुक दे देते हो बच्चे को। तो वो जो गैप है वो फिल नहीं करता है कोई, और उनको ना फिल करना सिखाता है। तो बेचारे बच्चे उसके कारण पीछे 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 चले जाते हैं। और लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश ऐसी है जो उनको आती नहीं है। पहली बात पढ़नी नहीं आती, दूसरी समझनी भी नहीं आती। ठीक है, समझनी भी नहीं आती। तो जब आपको चीज जैसे मैं वो दूसरी लैंग्वेज आपको दिखाई है, अगर मैं कोरियन लैंग्वेज में आपको बोलूंगी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स लिखना है, आपको पढ़ना ही नहीं आता तो आप कैसे लिखोगे और कैसे याद करोगे।
मान्या के साथ सेम प्रॉब्लम होती है। मान्या के साथ सेम प्रॉब्लम होती है। वो सेकंड क्लास में, बट वो पढ़ती है पर उसे कुछ समझ नहीं आता है कि इंग्लिश में इसका हिंदी मीनिंग क्या है। सिर्फ इंग्लिश पढ़ने से भी कुछ नहीं होता।
मतलब नहीं है भाई, लिख नहीं पाएंगे ना, हमको मीनिंग नहीं पता होगा। तो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हमको घर में भी थोड़ा थोड़ा बोलना शुरू करना है। इन द नेक्स्ट
मैम फोनिक साउंड्स का वीडियो, फोनिक साउंड्स का एक वीडियो होगा ना आपके पास, प्लीज सेंड अस।
I'll try. ठीक है, anyone any questions? आज समझ में आया ना रीडिंग कैसे सिखानी है और कब सिखानी है और साउंड के साथ क्यों सिखानी है। ठीक है, that is more important for us. तो उनको रटाना नहीं है, उनको पढ़ना सिखाना है। That is more important. ठीक है, भले वो 2 वर्ड पढ़े लेकिन